So what he's doing right now is moving the trailer into position. So we see there's a slight decline over here. That's the machine that we're picking up. A slight bit of a decline. So we want to get as close to the door as possible so we don't have to travel down the door. Go from the back and drive it. That side, yeah. Exactly, because now you're working against the... There you go. Not a lot of space around here. Tight location. You got to move a few tires out of the way. Put it around the lower end. Okay, we got it all strapped up. Got the lifting blade on the bottom.
Yep, we didn't use the
taking the weight off the top. No, nothing is attached on around it.
All clear.
The wheels are locked.
Yep.
Okay, go for it. Slow and steady is the name of the game here. So we don't need to go too high here. It. We just raised it up. It was a little tough getting it past here, you can see, but not a big deal in the end of it all. And now it's ready to go right on the trailer.